welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing hot girl summer. So first, I'm going to be priming my skin with the Iman Cosmetics Undercover Agent Oil Control Primer. I like this because it's very lightweight. It feels like a gel. This is going to be good for anyone with super oily skin and a concern with pores. This is not a substitute for moisturizer, so don't forget to do your skincare routine prior to your makeup application. Next, it's time to fleek these brows with the perfect eyebrow pencil. This color is black brown. I like this pencil a lot because it's dual-ended, so you have the pencil on one side. And this color is very universal. It's very good for deep skin tones. And I like the other side because it's a brush. This is very important when blending out your eyebrow. You want to make sure that you use a spoolie or some kind of brush to disperse the product so it doesn't all get stuck in one area. What I did was make a line at the top, a line at the bottom, and fill in the middle. Notice how I didn't go too far in the front because what I'm going to do is blend it with the brush. We don't want block brows. For foundation, I'm going in with the Luxury Concealing Foundation in Clay 1. It may look a little bit darker than my face, but as you can see, my body is super tan and my face is not. This is a full coverage long wear formula that will give you a flawless and radiant complexion. Its buildable and versatile coverage makes the ultimate 2-in-1 foundation. So yes, you can use this for all over coverage, and as I'm doing here, you can use it for concealing the under eye and concealing the brows, which is what I cleaned up my brows with. So this is just a lighter shade, Sand 4. To contour and add warmth to the skin, I'm using the Cover Cream. This is a flawless finish concealer that camouflages under eye circles, blemishes, and skin tone imperfections. But today, I'm going to be using it to just warm up the perimeter of my face and contour. I really love this formula. It's super creamy and very easy to blend out. Plus, this shade is like the perfect contour shade for me. This is Earth Medium. I make the weirdest faces when contouring. But it's important because you have to see like certain parts of your face, so it's cool. I just love how easy this was able to blend out, and I need y'all to really get in here and see how, because this is really hard. Sometimes I use certain contour products and it's really hard for them to blend out. I'm there for like 20 minutes, but yeah. To set, I'm going in with the translucent powder in Sand Medium. These come in 2 colors. Sand Medium is good for me just to set down those areas so they don't look super oily. It gives a nice soft matte blurred finish without leaving you feeling dry. For lips, I'm using the Luxury Moisturizing Lipstick in the shade Hot, very fitting for the theme. I really like this because it's super full coverage, very long lasting, and very just luscious and creamy. And I like that it has Iman written. So I try not to use that side of the lipstick ever. But here I'm using it for blush, just a little cheek color. I like to give some balance between the cheeks and the lips. Just make sure you blend it out really nicely. You can use lipstick for blush, nothing wrong with that, girl. And I just love how the powder allows me to go back on top with cream. That's amazing. Look how creamy that formula is. And you can see I'm not using the Iman side. I'm making use of the angles. And last but not least, I'm highlighting with the Luxury Highlighter in Gold Digger, which is a multi-use highlighting stick that illuminates the skin with a warm radiant glow for the face, eyes, and lips. I also really love wearing this underneath foundation. You can apply it with a brush or you can apply it directly to the face. Thank you guys so much for watching.